Alright guys, I'm just making this video because बहुत सारे लोगों को बेस ट्यूब से रिलेटेड जानकारी लेना। वैसे तो यूट्यूब पे बहुत सारे वीडियोस मिल जाएंगे बेस ट्यूब से, तो मैंने भी इंस्टॉल करा है। आई लिव हियर इन पुणे। सो पुणे में कहाँ पे मिलेगा, क्या रेंज है, जो डिटेल्स हैं वो आपको मैं बता दूँगा। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो and see how the installation work was done. So this is Pioneer base tube.
गाड़ी में ग्लास भी फूटे आप?
हाँ
हाँ,
हाँ
ग्लास फूटा था क्या?
हाँ हाँ फूटा था ना, उसको चेंज किया, किसी ने फोड़ दिया था रात को।
अंदर उसका ग्लास वैसा ही है।
So this is the base tube, Pioneer inbuilt ampli. Pretty good, looks pretty good. So these are the manual, so these are the wiring.
मिलिए ना? हेलो।
हाँ मेरे पास है। तो अभी इसको फिटिंग करेंगे भैया। So you can see this is an inbuilt ampli. Speaker magnet also looks good. The size is big, so you will get the good thumb. So the installation process started. So you can see that Bhaiya is trying to put. So this extra wiring I just bought it. You will get extra wiring with this base tube also, but the quality of the product you need to buy extra. So it cost me around 1k, and so now he's gonna fix this. मैं बोला ना कि भैया इंस्टॉल कर रहे हैं घर के। So I'm in Pune. This is a Nanapet area, wherein you will get all the accessories for cars. So they have different sections. For example, here you will get only car accessories. Lots of shop here, but I'm buying through this excellent Motor Gallery House of Car Accessories.
अभी वो इतना झमेला है उसके अंदर से खत्म।
हाँ, so this extra socket has been installed. So whenever you don't need, you can remove this base tube. But before that, you need to remove that socket. Once you pull out, after that you can remove this base tube for the extra boot space. So now Bhaiya is doing his work. So I'll show you after the installation, complete installation. Now this boot space has good space, like 4 liter space extra apart from this base tube. So you can see the quality of this wiring. This one which I got with the Pioneer base tube, and that is another wiring which I bought extra, because you need connection from engine, from ignition to the boot space. So the distance is around 20 meter, I guess. So you need extra wiring also. So you need to buy by yourself only. So it will not come with the base tube. ऐसा वायरिंग का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा ना बाद में? ठीक है। ऐसे कोई हीटिंग का इश्यूज होता है इस पर?
इसमें अब सब लगा दूंगा ना।
ओके। और ऐसा भी रहता है कि अगर गाड़ी चल रहा है तो मुझे इस पर कोई पावर सप्लाई नहीं चाहिए, तो मैं स्विच ऑफ कर सकता हूँ, ऐसा कुछ होता है क्या?
नहीं, उसको फिर बटन लगाना पड़ेगा।
हाँ क्या
बटन लगाना है क्या?
मतलब जैसे गाड़ी चल रहा है तो उस समय में इसको पावर सप्लाई मिलता रहेगा, गाड़ी अगर ऑन हो गया?
गाड़ी का पावर सप्लाई इसको मिलने नहीं वाला।
ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि जो पावर सप्लाई के बीच में एक बटन बैठा दिया।
हाँ वही बता रहा हूँ ना, बटन बैठा दिया तो आपको ऑफ हो जाएगा।
हाँ तो वो कर सकते क्या?
हाँ सर।
ठीक है वो कर दो
नहीं ठीक
उस
है,
पर।
बंद कर।
तो भैया हैज रिमूव दिस, ये सेक्शन निकाला है so that he can do the wiring. Half of the work is already done. You can see that wiring has come from this side. So वो जो अंदर में वायरिंग देख रहे हो उसके अंदर से घुसा के तो जो कंपनी फिटेड है उसी के साथ लिया है, ताकि देयर शुडंट बी एक्स्ट्रा वायरिंग आउटसाइड योर सिटिंग एरिया. So भैया is trying to fix everything and it is a professional work. So you need a good person who can do exact the same the company people they do. So work is quite good. I've just checked it and I'm happy with the work. So definitely and highly recommended. Excellent motor gallery, Nanapet. Once you enter Nanapet, just mid of that there is a kind of small masjid. From there you need to take a right, so you will get the shop. They have two shops here. See, can you see that? So you can see the infotainment system. Bhaiya is trying to open it because the wiring which came from back side, it needs to be get connected to the main infotainment system so that you can get the good results.
क्या मेरा तुमने भी टॉय वाला है क्या?
क्या?
हाँ डैश कैम लगा के रखा है ना. मेरे को 2 बार बचाया इस डैश कैम ने, पता है? 2 बार बचाया. So the entire infotainment system you can see. अभी बज रहा है, सो आई विल शो यू हाउ इट इज़ थम्पिंग. तो बहुत कम आवाज़ रखा है. So I will show you one example. So finally the installation process is completed. अभी मैंने वॉल्यूम जो है यू कैन सी 20 में रखा है, लेकिन पीछे जो बेस ट्यूब है उस पर पूरा कम करके रखा है, बट स्टिल इट इज़ सो हाई, द थम्पिंग इज टू मच. जस्ट 20% बेस था, ठीक है, पूरा गाड़ी थम्प हो रहा था. सी द वीडियो. फोकस. Okay, and I'll show you how it works. The installation process has been done, and today I just got time and I thought to make this video. So this is a normal sound first, okay? So I have not started switched on that bass tube. So I'll switch on the bass tube also, so you'll see the difference, okay? So here is the switch. You can see this is the switch, okay? Now can you see the difference? So the volume is on 6 now. Okay, 7, 8, 9, and this is at 10, okay? So the installation process has been done on the back side, okay? So I'll show you. I'll go to the back side now. So from outside there's not much noise, but you need to open this, okay? See? So the bass tube is here. Can you see? This is the bass tube. Installation has been done. So can you see the thumb? This is the bass tube, and yeah, that's all in short. So I don't need much. The sound is really loud. You can see the thump inside, because I'm not like the guy, I mean, who loves the thump on a full potential, okay? So I needed a decent bass effect, so that's why I just installed this one. So mine is a 12-inch Pioneer inbuilt ampli, so you can see. So the total installation was done, and yes, this is a extra the button which I have installed because I needed it, because for example you're in a rainy season and suddenly your car goes off, then you need to switch it on again. That time if it is a direct, then there would be some problem, okay? Because the bass tube, it will also consume the battery, and the car engine also requires a battery, so that's why. So I have just asked that person to install this button. So I'm happy with the work done. So yes, I've just got my that hobby which I had, कि मुझे गाना सुनना है अच्छे लेवल पे, तो वो चीज़ हो गया है अभी. I'm happy.